Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to this Jasmy video update today. And couldn't actually make one video yesterday, kind of, sorry for that. And so right now, the question in a lot of people's mind is, what is Jasmy trying to do now, right? Because we already have the delisting on the Binance US. We got Jasmy to be a little bit oversold to the upside, and what is going to happen. So I am going to try to figure out the best that I can do right now. And I don't know if this makes sense to you, but we do know that the market works in cycle where you have accumulations. Really actually bothered with this, so many ads here going on. Anyways, where you do have this accumulation, you move up, you make reaccumulations, you go up, distribution, come down, redistribution, go down, and then start the cycle. So the cycle says that it's always going to be like this, boom, like this, boom, like this, come down, and then go up, and then go up. So it's just a cycle wave, up and down like this, come and down, up and down, right? So if we bring that rule into play, I kind of actually want to see that this was almost like the start of the cycle, down here, move up, the reaccumulation, move up, and that distribution going on. So the next thing that I'm actually trying to figure out based on that market cycle, is this a move down and a redistribution to go even more lower? We can use another pattern which I just seem to have found right now, and I'm not saying it's guaranteed it's going to happen this way, but on a technical standpoint, I'm just trying to come up with something that would make total sense. And can I say that this almost looked like a left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder? We're trying to make a head and shoulders here, because that does actually look to me like it is actually becoming a clear head and shoulder. And we do know that head and shoulders are negative patterns. Now let's talk about the breaking of head and shoulders. Now I do believe if you look at Jasmy trying to come above this area or the right shoulder, then you invalidate the head and shoulders. That's one thing, right? So you invalidate the head and shoulders. And I've told you before that this was a demand box, which is going to turn to be a neckline now, right? So that can be a neckline. And to prepare you for the future, if you do end up coming like down like this, break below and backtest and fail the retest, then you're looking to jump down and down and down. And that's going to be a move down from the top to the bottom here. And that's going to take Jasmy all the way for a price level of 2577 again, because that's where you also have another support right here. So you can actually even say that this is where you started the rally previously. That's where you have the support, and if you go below the support, you might end up still coming straight down to that long awaited technical target. Now that's the thing, you see, I'm just speaking about this whole patterns situation. That pattern is actually pointing to a technical target down there. If it plays out, of course, if we end up losing the neckline, then that's just how the pattern really is, right? And if invalidation happens, if we wanted to be in the safe zone, and this is again a demand box that can actually still be good. And I've been telling you that people have their stop losses, down here as well. I don't know, it does seem like the market maker can end up flushing those stop losses again just to get some liquidity to push the prices to the upside. So again, the saving day is to destroy the right shoulder so that we don't even get that head and shoulders in the first place, and invalidate the whole pattern, and then we can actually start a conversation of moving to the upside. Just making you very, very careful here and very, very aware. And that's pretty much it for this update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.